In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do year-end on QuickBooks in just 5 minutes. Year-end closing is an essential process for every business as it ensures your financial records are accurate and ready for the next fiscal period. Throughout this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step to make this task straightforward and manageable. First, let's head over to QuickBooks Online. If you haven't done so yet, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, you'll see the sign in button right at the top right corner. Give it a click to get started. Now, you'll need to enter your login credentials to access your QuickBooks account. Go ahead by typing in your email and password, and don't forget, it's always a good idea to check that your details are correct before proceeding. Once you are sure everything is right, click sign in to enter. With your dashboard open, direct your attention to the settings. It's conveniently located, ensuring you can efficiently manage your QuickBooks environment. Clicking on the settings icon is your next move. This will open up more options for configuring your account to fit your business needs. From there, find and click on Account and Settings. This is an important section where you'll manage various account preferences and settings. Here you'll notice numerous tabs on the left hand side. Your destination today is the Advanced tab. A click on this will lead you to a set of advanced accounting options. Scroll through the options until you find Close the Books. This feature is vital for locking your financial records for a specific accounting period. It prevents any changes to transactions in the closed period, maintaining the integrity of your financial data. Next, you'll need to set a closing date. Carefully choose a date that marks the end of your fiscal year. This action ensures your books are closed exactly when you want them to be, aligning with your business's accounting standards. Lastly, don't forget to click Save. This final step confirms the changes you've made and officially closes your books for the year. It's crucial to save your changes so that your adjustments take effect and secure your financial records accurately. And that's it, you've just completed the year-end process on QuickBooks. With these steps, you've effectively closed your books, ensuring a clean start for the new fiscal year. Remember, regularly maintaining your financial records in QuickBooks keeps everything organized and helps in making informed business decisions. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.